Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Halor kajing dawa jong kaliang persya ban pej biang ya ke MOU kabalay soy hapadeng Meghalaya bat Assam. Usumbun Menteri Rangba Kajelau ba Prestone tensong uloong ba ai bagi paj ba Kajela kin skau thu hi la da gijit ja ke TMC kaban sinsyare Kajela bat uloong ba ke TMC ke Kwah ba status quo kan chune sa kum tu Haduh dawai ke Pyrthei.
Redoing or revisiting the MOU. Let the people of the state understand one thing. If TMC, if they are to elect the TMC party to rule the state, means TMC wanted to make sure that the word status quo remains till the end of the world. So let the people ask question to TMC. Is it the way of your redoing thing about the issue of boundary? Are you trying to say that you want to create confusion till the end of the world about the residents of both Meghalaya and Assam? So that is my question to TMC. If they want to redo or to revisit the MOU, I'm telling you, let the people think 100 times before they elect the so-called ITMC.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.